I couldn't get a recipe, so I'm just putting together my version of bread pudding. I put some eggs and milk, sugar, cinnamon, and French bread, oh, and some vanilla. And I'm gonna let this bread soak for a little while and then bake it in a very buttery pan. And then I'll make sauce. So my bread pudding is out of the oven. I just tasted a little piece of it. I'm gonna taste another one. Oh my goodness. It's hot. It's so good. Here's my sauce. I'm gonna let it cool off a minute and I'm gonna put some of that on it. We throwing down in Lavonne's kitchen today.